Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Big Buff in Glass City and Mess Hall Digs? Defend the hustle. Yeah, you got Buffalo Picker on Friday nights. Check him out. Have you ever heard of my boy Big D? Yeah, Fundamentals of the Side Hustle, him and Regina Michelle on Wednesday night. It's Hump Day Hangout on Wednesdays. Y'all look up the time. Have you ever heard of my boy, Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell is that? Have you ever heard of my boys, Louie and Lewis? Yeah, Cali Reseller and my boy, Lone Star Picker. Yeah, they got shows too. Y'all look them up. Have you ever heard of Shar? Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of my boy out of South Carolina? Big Casey. Yeah, the Golf Club King. Yeah, but it's Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, I got another, this is one of my other honey holes right here. Like I told y'all, right now I'm at the point where I'm just stopping picking up high dollar items wherever I see them at. I just spent a couple of minutes here. Well, not a couple of minutes. I've been there for like 45 minutes, looking through stuff, looking stuff up, make sure that I'm leaving with something that I can sell for a whole lot of money. Anyway, y'all, let me turn y'all around and tell you and show you what I bought, what I picked up. Not that much stuff. I told y'all, it ain't the quantity, it's the quality. I got 2 Toomey bags right here. Whenever you see that Toomey, pick them up. Anything that's got Toomey on it. Now these bags ain't worth that much. This bag probably worth 40 something dollars. This other bag probably worth $29, $30. But I paid $30 for this stuff. I got some books. I'm not gonna show y'all these because that's not worth nothing. The worth is over here. Okay, y'all. This book is Sybil book right here. I paid $1.50 for it. It's a 1938, whatever it is. I could sell that for $29. You got it's a Polaroid land camera right here. I paid $3 for it. It's on eBay. You can see I wrote the numbers down. It's on eBay for $87 all the way up to $112. That's how much I can get for this. I got some flash. I'm gonna put some flashes with it at home that I got. The old Bud flash. I'm gonna put that with that. I'm gonna wrap that up with that. This one, I never heard of this company before. Well, I heard Olympics. Yeah, I heard this one. This Olympics trip camera. I paid $4 for that. It's selling for $40 to $110. I got to figure out which one, where I'm going to sell it at, in between that number, where I'm going to sell this one at. I don't know yet. I got to get home and clean it up. I got to get home and clean up and stuff. This one right here, it's an Olympics pen for camera right here. 35 millimeter. It's in between $98 and $175 on eBay. I paid $4 for it. So, like I said, y'all, it's not the quantity, it's the quality. So when I look now, that's all I'm looking for is high dollar items. I got too much small stuff. And I didn't even mean to stop by here, y'all. I'm telling you, if you got a whim, follow that whim. I follow mine. And it led me here today. That one book paid for this whole trip. I paid $30 for all this. Anyway, I don't know what to tell y'all. Get out there and hustle. Get out there and make that money. This Kevin, you know, I'm a reseller from St. Louis. I go to thrift stores, yard sales, everything. I do everything. Pick up soda cans. I'm trying to stay out the sun, y'all, because I don't know how it's going to look. It look okay. I sell everything from A to Z. But anyway, y'all, if you like this channel, I'm sorry about that. If you like this channel, subscribe, give me the thumbs up, whatever. Whatever, y'all. Tell your friends, your buddies, tell everybody in your neighborhood. And I'll see y'all later. This Pickin in the Hood 2. Hold on. This Pickin in the Hood 2, y'all. Woo! Peace.